Hello everyone, this is Dion. Welcome back to GABWIRE. In this video we will unbox a adapter. This is TP-Link Nano USB adapter. So if you want to connect it on Windows 10, you doesn't need to install any driver, but if you want to install it or if you want to use it on Windows 7 or XP, you need to install it through a link or through the CD this box provide. So I will later give you my opinion about this. Let's just plug and play this. So let me just open that. That doesn't open from here. We need to grab that out. So let's see what we are getting from the box. So that's how the box looks. You can open it from here. There's your receiver. It just tied up with a simple tape. Here it is. So what else we are getting? Here is a user manual, how you could do that. Just plug and play for Mac OS. Now here's for Windows. Okay. So this is the CD, that's all, nothing else. So now we will plug it. So let's just plug it.